Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Lounge channel, and you are watching the first part of the FreeCAD Draft course for intermediate users. In this course, I will teach you how to use the Draft Workbench to create a 2D drawing of an architectural floor plan, which includes lines, hatches, dimensions, texts, and I'll also show you how to create a sheet where we will place our drawing and also create a room schedule, and this is then ready to be printed out. Now, even though the course is meant for intermediate users, even beginners should be able to follow the course, but it is expected that you know how to draw a line or how to set up a grid or how to use snaps. If you want to learn these skills, you can watch other tutorials on the FCB Lounge channel. Now, what's very important to note is that FreeCAD 1.1 is used in this course, and you should use this or later versions because some of the tricks that we will use will not work in previous versions of FreeCAD. Now, I recommend you to download the course material for free from the FCB Lounge shop. The link is in the description box below. The course material contains 4 files. The first one is the finished FreeCAD file. The second one is the page template that we will use in the course. The third one is the 2D drawing of a toilet that is used in the course. And the fourth one is the PDF, the resulting PDF that you can also use to read all of the dimensions that are needed for drawing this floor plan. Now, the course is divided into 4 video parts. The first one you are currently watching, and it contains this introduction, and I will also talk about the basic draft workbench setup that we will do before we start with the drawing creation. The second part contains creation of layers and setup of layers. In the third part, we will get to the meat of the drafting, and we will create the lines which represents the walls and overhead lines. The fourth part contains creation of windows and equipment. In the fifth part, I will show you how to generate hatch objects. Sixth part shows how to create text objects as room descriptions. Then in the 7th video, I will show you how to create dimensions and set them up. The 8th part contains creation of the sheet with the title page and placing of the drawing on that sheet. And in the last 9th part, I will show you how to create a room schedule and how to place the room schedule on the sheet that we created. So after you finish the course, you should be able to create a typical architectural drawing. It could be a floor plan, it could be an elevation, or any other drawing. And the knowledge learned in this course is also applicable also for other engineering fields. Okay, so this is the information about the course. And now let's get started with doing some basic setup of the Draft Workbench. So I will close this finished file, and in the default FreeCAD installation I will start a new 2D draft project. So I will click this button and it starts a new project, which I will immediately save, and I will name it Draft Course. So we've got this one saved, and the important settings are, first, here I will set my mouse navigation, and I'm used to Revit, so I will set the Revit. You can set whichever you want. The second important thing here is to set up the unit system for this project, and even if we will use millimeters for this project, I will not use this standard, because this standard switches to meters when the distances are longer than 10,000 millimeters, and I always want to work in millimeters, so I will switch to this FEM unit system, so I will always work with millimeters. What I will do, I will also set up my toolbars. I don't need these two, the help and the structure, so I will click somewhere here and uncheck the help, so this removes this one, and I also want to remove the structure, so we've got only these, and I will move this toolbar with snaps up here, and I will move this toolbar with management up here. So this is the basic setup of the workspace, but I want to do some further setup, and I will go to FreeCAD Preferences for that. So I will go to Edit and Preferences, and here I want to set up the Draft Workbench. So I will go to Draft, and what's important for me and for the usage that we will use is to set focus on length instead of X coordinate. This is quite important setting for the object snap tracking to work as we want it. And also for grid and snapping, currently the grid spacing is set to 1 millimeter. For architectural purposes, this is too low, so I will set it to 1000, which is 1 meter. And I also don't like to use the grid too much, so I will uncheck always show grid and show the grid during commands. Also, I will uncheck this one. And this is all the setting that we need. I will set OK. And to make those changes applicable to this file, I will close the file and open it again. And then this will lead to the second part where we will start to create layers. So I will see you in the second part.